Hi and welcome to Woodworking Tips from the Hips, and today I'm going to be removing the cheek from a tenon. We square a line across, make a little knife wall. The knife walls have been around for centuries, just help with starting to saw. We just use a chisel and pare towards that. So we just remove a little triangle of wood, and you've got a little V in there that you can easily then place your saw in. Small work like this, nice fine point saw. I lean the saw into the slope of that cut I just made, pull back slowly a couple of times, bring the saw up nice and straight. I don't want to go too far, so even if I stay a little bit short of my lines, that's good. The worst thing you can do is cut the shoulder cut too deep. I've marked around the end here with the gauge. Now I'll just take the saw, set that next to the mark and saw straight across the top until I've got a kerf in there. Next thing is to bring the saw down this side that's facing me and follow the line right down to where the shoulder is. I don't want to move the saw on this corner, so I don't want to rock up like that. I want to keep this edge in the kerf. So gradually just working down on this side. Now I want to keep this point nice and steady and move this edge down, completing the cut. You can hear when it's getting close to coming off. And again, we don't want to go too far. We don't know whether our cheek cut was quite deep enough. I left the line that I was cutting to here because I know my mortise is a little bit fat. Now I just need to clean that up. So chisel into the knife line, push and just pare out into that corner, get a nice clean shoulder. Join me next time for more tips from the hips. The best tips in woodworking, probably.